Good evening, everyone. Today I will talk about education. Education is a most important for all of you. My lovely ladies and gentlemen, today I will talk about how to develop your education and how to develop your communication. Because the many student has been stopped your education because your parents cannot support. The somebody student are telling me, sir, my parents cannot afford my further education. Because you can also say at this time the my young has been a load problem. Today I will guided how to improve about yourself and why is mandatory of education, because education is a such weapon. The who student follow it, definitely he can do anything whatever he want in the society. First of all, you should be educated person in the world, so that you can do anything whatever you want in the society, because education is a most important for all of you. By the way, if you think about one day I became the owner in the world, so first of all you should become the more educated person in the world. Without education you cannot do anything whatever you want in the society. You can also say the education is a very mandatory for all of you. Without education you can't connect for each other. English communication, and by the way, if you are learning some skill and at this time you are prepared other competitive examination, you never give up in your future, because this age is very golden for all of you. By the way, as for as I know, at this time the young age is a golden opportunity for all of you. First of all, because the sometimes the sometimes happen this the many students give up in his life, because at that time the many students have no money, and the financial problem are not good, because this is a natural phenomenon. By the way, if you want, one day can do anything whatever you want in the society. First of all you will fight against your society, and first of all you will fight your against your family, so that you can do anything whatever you want in the society. You can also say education is a key of the success, because the so many student around me when has failed one chance the class 12th examination and competitive examination. The so many student never the so many student give up in his career. You do not such way, because life is very expensive for all of you. First of all I want to say something about the who student think about one day I give up the education way. This is this is a very challenge for all of you, because education is a education is a such weapon. You can do anything through the education. You can also say everything possible through the education. First of all you should be educated person in the world, so that you can do anything whatever you want in the society, because this is my costly information for everyone. Because I am not saying that the education is mandatory, the which student prepare other competitive examination, but also education is a very mandatory for all of you. Without education you can't connected for each other. First of all you should be educated person in the world. Education is most important for all of you. You can also me I will always remember one statement was of Dr. B. R. Ambedkar. The education is a such weapon. The who student follow it, he can do anything whatever he want in the society. You can also say education never goes to waste. It became strength in your future. Because the many students are telling me, sir, that the some people laughing at me. When start hard work, one day your success will silent them. so you don't think about the people, and you should continue your journey, so that one day you can prove in front of the world that one day I can do anything whatever he want in the society. So friends, this is my costly information for all of you. By the way, if you are prepare other competitive examination, then never give up in your future. So this is my expensive information for all of you. Thank you.